G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio, showing you one of the clever things we've had done recently. This is our BTN 300 unit fitted into an RB1 Honda Odyssey, which is a model went from about 2006 to about 2012, I think, from memory. Now, for years, people have rung up the Honda Odyssey and we've said, no, sorry, can't do anything, blah, 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 and no one's been able to do anything. But we've managed to get a fitting kit frame made that goes around there, and we've fitted our 9-inch unit in there. So you can see it's a pretty cool unit. These BTN 300s are very, very awesome sort of devices. They've got great sound. I'll turn down just for copyright. So it's got radio with full RDS. You can put in your all your stations are preset, for example, with more FM, sounds, ZM, Bogan music for people who really got nothing better to do but listen to Talkback, the hits, the sound music for older people. Main menu here is pretty cool. You can Bluetooth set up. We've managed to get the factory reverse camera going through it. I don't think personally the camera's quite as good as the ones we provide now, but the customer wanted that, so that's where you go. But we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So on this thing here, you can see that we've got access to all your normal Apple or Android Auto apps. You can look at your messages. You've got iHeartRadio, Radio New Zealand, I've never listened to that, Spotify. You can download and play all your music from Spotify. All the favourite things there. If you've got a daily mixes and that sort of stuff, it all come through. And you can change tracks and everything. Now your steering wheel controls and everything all work fine. The phone buttons work, up and down buttons work, everything works. Down the bottom here we've got all that original Japanese stuff. That's a bit like Trump's re-election chances. That's fairly dead, so that's not going to work. But everything else is back in order. So we have the fitting kits available. We've sold a couple already today. They are a pretty cool thing and a good way of getting one of these Odysseys back into a more modern look and setup. So everything you can see there works pretty cool. So you can come and buy them from us at omaudio.co.nz, 18 College Street in Sydney, or give us a call on 0508 636 283. Thank you.